Look at this mob of people coming. He's on point, obviously. Let me get out of there. The stampede. Stampede are coming. Some of you boys won't be coming back.
Hey, come on. They never come back.
Wrenches! It's all about the wrenches!
That was kind of cool.
Hey, ACU and Chanty!
Hey, Bazooka Man, let me get you in a little solo video action there.
Alright.
Nice.
No, that's our
Very classy, sir. Very classy. Do you need this or no?
Oh.
Yeah, I need to take those on.
Careful when someone says take it off. Just a public service message.
You're not getting shot in the face.
How you been, partner?
Good, how you been?
Good, thanks.
Yeah,
I think I'm in the wrong area, by the way. I see y'all later. Hey, brother, how you been? Yeah, that was called hostile territory. This is what it looks like when you run away. See, I told you it was there. Holy shit, what the? I want to be an airborne ranger. I want to live a life of danger.
Yeah, okay, you guys know where that the cauldron is right here? Where it tees off?
He said the cauldron.
Yeah, where the creek, where you got the road that goes over the creek? Alright, I want you guys to start from there and start pushing up the creek.
Alright. I don't think looking down the path, you want us to light your fucking cigarette too, or what? It's not even on sleep.
Hey man, you want it to be arranged?
Yeah, CO2.
So if you guys want...
That would be me. I got that, don't worry. It's my turn.
We'll let everything get.